the Cabinet Secretary for Agriculture and Livestock Development, the Honorable Mithika Linturi, the Minister for Roads and Transport, Kipchumba Murkomen, our host Governor of Kericho, Dr. Eric Mutai, Excellencies Governors present, the Leader of Majority in the Senate, Honorable Senators, Members of Parliament, Board of Directors of KTDA, the officials, and our farmers, and the stakeholders in the tea subsector, good morning. God is good, and all the time. Salimeni kwa hewa, Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. Thank you. I welcome you all to this special summit on the tea subsector reforms in the beautiful county of Kericho, the country's leading producer of tea. The agriculture sector contributes 22% to our national gross domestic product, with the tea subsector accounting for 2%. With over 650,000 growers spread in 18 counties, Kenya is a leading global producer and exporter of various types of tea, with black tea accounting for at least 95% of the sold crop. Over the years, tea has earned the country foreign exchange. For instance, in 2022, the subsector recorded 20.9%, the highest foreign exchange earnings of 163 billion due to competitive export prices. This was an increase from 130 billion Kenya shillings registered in 2021. This is in spite of the low production across the country as a result of prolonged drought. Distinguished farmers and delegates, tea posted positive results despite geopolitical and internal instabilities in major markets like Russia and Pakistan. The price of 100 kg bag of tea increased